Have you ever felt your heart beat faster the moment you try to speak English? Your mind goes blank, your tongue feels heavy, and suddenly, fear takes control. You are not alone. Millions of people around the world understand English, but stay silent because of shame and fear. Today, I want you to relax. Take a deep breath, because in the next few minutes, you will learn 3 simple ways to remove fear and speak English with confidence. No complicated grammar, no pressure, just simple, practical steps that actually work. Let's begin. Tip 1. Stop trying to be perfect. The biggest enemy of spoken English is perfection. You think, what if my grammar is wrong? What if they laugh at me? What if I make a mistake? Listen carefully. Mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Even native speakers make mistakes, but they speak anyway. From today, make this decision. I will speak first. I will correct later. Speak broken English if needed. Speak slowly, speak wrongly. Because silence will never improve your English. Speaking will. Tip 2. Start talking to yourself. Yes, really. If you are afraid to speak in front of people, start where no one can judge you. Talk to yourself. When you wake up, say, "Today I will have a good day." When you walk, describe what you see. I am walking on the road. The sky is clear. I feel calm. When you cook or work, explain your actions in English. This may feel strange at first, but this one habit trains your brain to think in English, and when your brain thinks in English, your mouth will follow naturally. Confidence is built in private, before it shows in public. Tip 3. Use simple sentences, not big words. You don't need advanced vocabulary to sound confident. Confidence comes from clarity, not complexity. Instead of long sentences, use short and clear ones. For example, I am learning English. I am not fluent yet, but I am improving. Can you please repeat that? Simple sentences reduce fear. They give you control. They keep the conversation alive. Remember, fluent speakers are not fast speakers. Fluent speakers are clear speakers. And now, let me tell you something important. Fear doesn't disappear first. Action comes first. You speak even when you are scared. And slowly, fear fades away. Every sentence you speak is a small victory. Every mistake makes you stronger. You are capable. You are learning. And you are improving right now. Keep listening. Because in the next part, I'll share how to practice English daily without stress, and how to sound confident even with limited vocabulary. Now, let's talk about something very important. Confidence. Confidence does not come from knowing everything. Confidence comes from accepting that you don't know everything, and speaking anyway. Daily practice rule. 10 minutes is enough. Many people think, I need 2 hours a day to learn English. That's wrong. You need consistency, not long study sessions. Just 10 minutes a day can change everything if you use it correctly. Here's how. 3 minutes. Speak about your day in English. 3 minutes. Read something simple aloud. 4 minutes. Listen and repeat short sentences. No writing. No memorizing. only speaking and listening. This small daily habit removes fear because your brain starts feeling English is normal, English is safe, how to sound confident, even if your English is weak. Here is a secret most people don't talk about. People don't judge your English, they judge your confidence. Do these 3 things. Speak slowly. Slow speech sounds confident. Fast speech sounds nervous. Pause instead of saying, silence is powerful. Use it. Maintain simple eye contact. Even 1 second of eye contact shows confidence. You don't need perfect sentences. You need calm energy. A powerful mindset. Shift. From today, change this sentence in your mind. I am afraid to speak English. I am practicing English. This small change removes pressure. Practice has no fear. Practice has no judgment. Every confident English speaker you see today was once silent like you. The only difference? They didn't quit. Let me remind you of the 3 simple rules again. Speak without waiting for perfection. Practice alone to build courage. Use simple sentences to stay confident. Follow these rules, and English will stop feeling scary. It will start feeling natural. Now let's talk about shyness. Shyness is not weakness. Shyness means you care about how you sound, but if you let shyness control you, your voice stays locked inside. So here's what you do. The 1-sentence rule. If speaking English feels overwhelming, don't try to speak a lot. Speak 1 sentence, just 1. For example, I am learning English. I am not comfortable yet. Please give me some time. 1 sentence removes pressure. 1 sentence builds courage. And once you speak 1 sentence, the second one becomes easier. Big confidence is built from small wins. Why people laugh and why it doesn't matter. Let me be honest with you. Some people may laugh. Some people may judge. But listen carefully. They are not laughing at your English. They are laughing because they are insecure themselves. Strong people respect effort. Weak people mock it. You don't need everyone's approval. You only need self-respect, and self-respect comes from trying, not hiding. Train your ears before your mouth. Fear reduces when your ears are trained. Listen to simple English podcasts, short YouTube videos, slow English conversations. Don't understand everything. Understanding 60% is enough. Your brain will fill the gaps naturally. The more you listen, the more natural English feels in your head. And when English feels familiar, fear disappears. Your accent is not a problem. Repeat this slowly in your mind. My accent is not wrong. It is my identity. You don't need a foreign accent. You need clear pronunciation. Clarity greater than accent. Speak clearly. Speak honestly. That's all. Right now, you are not weak. You are in progress, and progress is powerful. Now let's talk about fear in real conversations. This is where most people freeze. Your hands sweat. Your mind races. And suddenly, you want to escape. Here's how you handle that moment. Use survival sentences. You don't need long answers in real life. Prepare a few safe sentences and keep them ready. For example, let me think for a second. I'm learning English. Please speak slowly. I didn't understand that. Can you repeat? These sentences buy you time. Time reduces fear. Time gives you control. Confidence is not speed. Confidence is calmness. Breathe before you speak. This sounds simple, but it's powerful. Before speaking, take one slow breath through your nose, then speak. Breathing tells your brain, there is no danger. Fear is a body reaction. Calm is also a body reaction. You choose which one to activate. Why silence is okay. Many learners think, if I stay silent, people will judge me. The truth is, silence makes you look thoughtful, not stupid. Pause, think, then speak. A calm pause sounds confident in any language, the confidence loop. Here's how confidence actually grows. Speak. Make mistakes. Survive. Feel stronger. Speak again. You don't break fear by thinking. You break fear by experience. Each time you speak and nothing bad happens, your brain learns, I can do this. You don't need courage first. Courage comes after action. Keep listening, because next I'll explain how to practice English in public without embarrassment and how to turn fear into motivation. Now let's talk about speaking English in public. The biggest fear for many learners. Your mind says, everyone is watching me. But here is the truth. Most people are busy with their own lives. They are not analyzing your grammar. Fear lies to you. Start small in public. You don't need a big conversation. Start with micro-speaking. Order food in English. Say thank you confidently. Ask a simple question. These small moments train your courage. Public confidence is built step by step, not overnight. Turn fear into energy. Fear and excitement feel similar in the body. Fast heartbeat. Alert mind. The difference is interpretation. Next time you feel fear, tell yourself, I am excited to practice. This mental switch changes everything. Stop translating in your head. Translation creates delay. Delay creates fear. Instead of translating from your language to English, use ready-made phrases. For example, I'm not sure. That makes sense. I'll get back to you. These phrases come out automatically. Automatic speech kills fear. Progress, not comparison. Never compare your English to others. You don't know their journey. You only know yours. Compare today's English with yesterday's English. That's real progress. A final reminder. For now, you don't need permission to speak English. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need confidence first. You only need one decision. I will speak even if I'm scared. And the moment you do that, fear starts losing power. Now, let me talk to you directly. Yes, you. If you're listening quietly right now, thinking, this sounds good, but can I really do it? The answer is yes. Not because English is easy, but because you are capable of learning it. The truth about fear. Fear doesn't mean you are weak. Fear means you are stepping into something new. Every new skill feels uncomfortable at first. Walking felt scary once. Speaking felt scary once. English is no different. Your first 7-day challenge. Let's make this practical. For the next 7 days, do only this. Speak English every day, even for 2 minutes. Say sentences out loud, not in your head. Don't correct yourself while speaking. After 7 days, you will feel a difference. Not perfect English, but less fear. And less fear is the beginning of confidence. If you wait to feel confident first, you'll wait forever. Speak first. Confidence will follow. One powerful habit. At night before sleeping, say this in English. Today I tried, tomorrow I will try again. Say it out loud. Your brain listens to your voice, and slowly it starts believing you. You are not behind, you are not slow. You are on your own path, and as long as you keep speaking, you are moving forward.